I can stop and start counting on my way back.
And even a very well-built house is going to have a lot of gaps and cracks where air leakage occurs. And by using Energy Complete, you can properly air seal those gaps and cracks in areas where you're going to lose energy efficiency, and you're also going to lose comfort from drafts. By proper air sealing the house, you're going to have a more comfortable house, a more energy efficient house. And Energy Complete, one of the main ways that it accomplishes that is by using it as a gasket at the top plates of the house. 40% of your air leakage in a house goes through the top of the house. And by addressing the top of the house, you're hitting the most critical area in regards to air sealing. And as you can see on the wall here, when drywall goes up against that top plate, it's going to compress it down and act like a gasket. If we did not use Energy Complete in this spot, then air leakage flows vertically behind the drywall through to the attic space and can cause either a drafty cold room or also loss of energy costs.
Where do you primarily use this product in, besides top plates, bottom plates, around windows and that type of thing?
The primary areas are top plates, bottom plates, band joists, rim joists, and then you can use it on gaps and cracks within the wall cavity. I know in this house we're using a different type of sheathing structure on the outside that doesn't lend itself to many gaps and cracks inside the cavity. So in this area, using it at the top plates, bottom plates are probably the most critical spots.
Energy efficient.
Our primary reach right now is to the builder market. Now, we do some commercial projects. We've done a lot of retro projects because we found that our product's very safe in a retro environment. When you think about air sealing the attic, it's as big of a problem in an older home as it is in a new home. So we have the opportunity to, in say a retro application, take the insulation out, seal up all those attic top plate interfaces up there, reblow that attic, and when we've done that, we've tested and had probably about a 25% reduction in air leakage in those areas. But one of the key components about doing a retro application, and you can also put that into a new home application, is the safety of the product. We're all standing here and they're spraying right next to us. It's a latex-based product. There are no off-gassing issues. There are no safety hazards. It is Green Guard certified for children in schools, which is a very stringent indoor air quality certification, and so it's a very safe product, and people feel safe having this in their home.
What have I missed? What's an important message? Anything else that you want to make sure that we hit on as far as this interview is concerned?
Well, I think it's just going back to the major message that, you know, even a really well-built home has gaps and cracks and areas that need to be sealed up properly. And with Energy Complete, not only do you get the benefit of using it as a gasket to where you can seal up the top, but because of its pliability and elasticity, it's also an excellent air sealant for an area like the bottom plate to the subfloor, because that bottom plate is going to expand and contract at a different rate than that subfloor is. And where in the past people have relied on products like caulk, after maybe months or maybe even a year, a lot of times that caulk's going to crack because of the expansion and movement of those materials. With this product, we put it through a 50-year accelerated aging test to assure that it still remains pliable and is going to maintain its integrity as an air holdout for that house.
One little faster. That's perfect.